Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, or as usual in the middle of the night. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do one video with just unboxing and one with the review, or if I'm going to put it in both, but here I go. So for 4 years now, I've been using this Logitech Master Keys and don't really have any complaints. I think it's the perfect keyboard for the usage that I do. I don't play games, nothing like that. I only type with it, write with it, that's it. And it's perfect, almost. I always have something to complain about. I really like the backlit, and now when it's 4 years old, I start to notice that the battery needs to be charged a little bit more often than when it was new. Still no problems at all because I don't use it wirelessly. I always have it on my desk anyway, so I might as well plug it in. The one thing that irritates me is that I have always had a problem with connecting it to my iPhone. You have 3 buttons here, you can connect it to 3 different things via Bluetooth. And now when I got the new iPhone, I had a problem with matching it up, syncing it up with the iPhone, and that got me irritated. So I started to browse around, look around, and I found this. Matias wireless aluminum Tenkeyless keyboard. And what got me interested in this one is that it has a full year battery life. So it says that it's has a battery 5 times as big, and it's light. 5 times bigger than your standard keyboard, and it's lighter. How can it be 5 times bigger and still be lighter? So yeah, wow, this felt really nice. I haven't thought about it at all before, but if you're going to use this as a wireless keyboard, it is a bit heavy, and not only because of the number pad. It is actually a bit heavy. It hasn't bothered me at all because as I said, I always have it on my desk, on my desk, and I think I'm going to miss the numbers pad, but it was really light. So if you want a wireless keyboard that you are going to use wireless, this is it. So back to it. 1 full year of battery. That is really impressive. They came out about the same time, so all the reviews I've seen of it is 4 or 5 years old. So I was hoping that they had exchanged the micro USB with the USB-C. They have not. It's still a micro USB. But once again, if I'm going to charge it once a year, I don't care if I need to use the micro USB once a year. That is crazy. But they should update it with the USB-C. So what I'm more impressed than I thought I would be. But what I'm going to do is use it, of course. Maybe even use it wirelessly, because I've been thinking of getting a keyboard for my TV to have in bed, and something that is light. And once again, this hasn't bothered me before. I'm gonna wait for you. So what I've been trying to say a couple of times now, the weight of this one hasn't bothered me before at all. It weighs 800 grams, so almost a kilo. And this one, 430 something, 440. So half the weight of this one, and it's absolutely not because of missing the numbers pad. So half the weight. That was nice. I'm thinking I'm going to like this one. So let's try it out. First, before even installing it, I thought it was weird that they didn't give you a Bluetooth receiver that Logitech always gives you. But yeah, of course, if you have a computer less than 10 years old, you probably already have Bluetooth with it. So connecting was no problem at all. And for the first time, actually, I realized that I can have two keyboards connected at the same time, which you of course can. They are connected with Bluetooth, but I haven't tried it before. So I really like this. And it feels good to write with. It's just that the keys aren't in the exact same position, I think. So it feels a little bit different typing on, but it really works just fine and feels good. So I won't replace the Logitech with it, but I will absolutely use it to my TV, to my phone. I usually have my phone right in here. So when I get a message or something, I can just press the button. Oh, no, maybe. So yeah, that's how easy it is to switch from iPhone to computer and your third thing, maybe iPod or whatever, iPad or whatever. So I like it. Could have had the USB-C instead of the micro USB, but if you are only going to charge it once a year, you shouldn't care. This model doesn't have the backlight. I really do like it. It was something that I thought I wouldn't be in need for when this one had it, but I really do like it. So I don't think I will miss it, but they have another model with backlight as well. And quality, the sound, some have complaints that you can't adjust the feeds, but I never do that. You can't do that on the Logitech either. I want it as flat as possible, so this is just, the angle is perfect for me. And to write with, I feel that it's quite enough for me to use. And just to compare, to show you what it sounds like with the twice as expensive Logitech that isn't available anymore, I think, at least from what I saw on the website. So yeah, just because my motoric is used to this one, I type faster with this one, but what I wanted to show you was the sound. So the sound is more or less the same on both of them. And I really like it that it's so light. It's okay, so it is a little bit louder. Slightly, but I wouldn't complain about that at all. Slightly louder, but feels good, feels well quality, and once again, the most positive thing is that it's so light. One of the reasons that I won't replace my Logitech with it is because I mostly use this keypad, not the numbers on top. So that's the main reason. But to my TV, to my phone, to have with me when I'm on car events where I blog on the phone, this will be perfect. I think this is it for this review of the Matias. They maybe pronounce it some way else, but Matias is a name, man's name. So yeah, that's it. No complaints at all. I'm happy that it's so light, a little bit louder than that one, but this one costs twice as much and weighs twice as much. That's it. If you have any questions, ask me. I will do my best to answer them. But this is it.